Here's another tangent curve. We always start by finding our vertical asymptotes, which occur when what's inside of my tangent is equal to negative pi over 2 or equal to pi over 2. Solving each of these for x equals negative 1/2 or x equals 1/2. So I'm going to start by sketching my first two vertical asymptotes, negative 1/2 and positive 1/2. Now remember, our period for tangent is pi over b, which is going to be pi over pi, which is 1. So that means the end of my second period is going to be 1/2 plus 1, my period, which is 3 over 2. So we know my second period ends at 3 over 2. And we know at the ends of each of those periods is going to be vertical asymptotes. So now I'm going to split these up into the intervals. In the middle here is 0. This is 1/4. And this is negative 1/4. In the middle here, this is going to be 1/4. 1. And then in the middle of this is going to be 3/4, and this is going to be 5/4. So it might be easier to split up your intervals first before you start finding your values. So now we know in the middle of each period there's going to be a 0. So I start there. But now I see that my amplitude is 3 and we reflect across x-axis because of the negative. So that means we're going to go up 1, 2, 3, down 1, 2, negative 3. Now normally we would start up on our positive, but since it's reflected down, we're going to be down here at 1/4 negative 3, and this one's going to be up here at negative 1/4 3. So that means following that pattern, this point will be up 3/4 3, and this point will be down 5/4 negative 3. And now what we can do is connect these with our tangent curve that we know will never cross those vertical asymptotes.